These days, because we are at home most of the time, we almost never use our footwear anymore. Heels, sneakers, boots, or sandals. Ngayong hindi natin sila masyadong ginagamit, hindi naman ibig sabihin hindi na natin sila papansinin. At some point in the future, susuotin pa rin natin sila ulit. So how do we take care of our shoes kahit na hindi natin sila ginagamit?
But first, ask yourself, do you really need that many shoes? If your answer is no, baka naman dapat mo nang i-consider na ibenta o i-donate ang ilan sa mga tingin mo na hindi na gagamitin ulit. Bago mo i-store mga shoes or heels mo, siguraduhin mong malinis ang mga ito. Pagpagin mo muna mga flats like sneakers para matanggal ang alikabok at ibang dumi. Then, gently wipe the surface of your shoes. Para naman sa soles, gumamit ng toothbrush or scrub para matanggal ang dumi. For the leather, apply some leather shoe conditioner. Pagkatapos nito, let your shoes dry at room temperature. Next, organize them by the type of footwear. Fancy high heels, for example, should be kept inside a dust bag and placed on a rack. Pero dapat paminsan-minsan ay inilalabas din ang mga ito. You can keep your sneakers in shoe baskets or clear plastic boxes na may air vents to allow for air circulation. Para naman sa mga sandals, pwede mo silang isabit. For the slippers, shoe pockets will do the job. When figuring out where to store your shoes, the first things to remember are to keep them away from moisture. Moisture can result in bacterial growth and molds.
I am Nicolette Henson-Hizon. Join us daily here and on our official Facebook account, CLTV36, and YouTube account, CLTV36 Official, as we give you tips to live every day beyond style.